Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notification. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. I'd appreciate it. It's July the 10th of 2019. Been 49 weeks since we got started with the red wigglers. Go ahead and start out with the worm factory. See how it's looking. This was the bottom tray. Put it on top. Try to get these worms to migrate down out of the castings. And apparently there's still some food in here that they're going through, because I still see worms. A few here and there. So they're still working at it. Let's check out this next tray. Quite a few worms on top. Eating up some coffee grounds. Spent coffee grounds. And there's a bunch in here. So I filled her up. I'm just going to kind of mix this up a little bit. Sorry for getting a little too close. There's a bunch of coffee grounds on top and some shredded cardboard and a little bit of peat moss underneath. Kind of mix it up a little bit. The coffee is strong smelling. Not gonna dig around too much. This bottom tray here got some castings right on top. Starting to turn this cardboard and peat moss into castings. Still some worms in there. Looks like the majority of the worms are in the middle tray. Doesn't look bad at all down underneath in the worm ladder. It's probably dark, but just a few castings and one or two worms. Just want to mix this up a little bit. Get some air in there. We'll start out with our bin that's been putting our bait cups in. See what it's looking like. I did put some bad potatoes I dug out of the garden in there. Ooh, look at all them worms. Nice worm ball. Not sure what that was, but they are tearing it up. Gosh. A lot of worms. Like, what are you doing? So there's a rotten potato. They're wearing it out. Oh yeah. Focus for me. So there's a ton of red wigglers in here. Looks like most of them's over there in the food. I don't really see any over here. Well, there's a few here and there. Not many. Alright, so most of them's over there in the food. Take a look in on our castings. They're a little dry on top. Let's see what we got in the bait cup. Go ahead and pull these worms that I see on the sides. Just that one. There's one or two or three. Oh yeah. Still some more down in there. So there's another couple dozen got baited out of them castings. I'm sure there's still some in here. So I will go ahead and bait these up again. Seen one crawling, there we go. Couple more. Smells nice and earthy. Couple more. And our other bait cups, just because there's a ton of worms in here. A few hanging out of the holes. See what this one's looking like. Oh yeah. Nice. Quite a few. There's still, get the light right, several down in the cup. I'm just gonna let them work their way out. Quite a few hanging on the sides, coming in and out of the holes. Look at that. Oh yeah. Another couple dozen. So there's definitely plenty of food in here. Plenty of food in the worm factory. I'm sure there's still plenty of worms in here, but they are mainly castings. So I'll go ahead and bait this container up again and the other casting bin up again. If you haven't seen me do bait cups, I did show that in the video last week. I'm not going to show it this week. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Till next time, have a great day.